Hi, this is Iris Batin for Butterfly Circles, and I'm walking in nature today. I'm walking in my garden, and this is a period where there is magic in the air. You feel endings, you feel beginnings, and when we feel endings, we also feel beginnings. And this is really a good time to really reevaluate friendship, reevaluate love, reevaluate relationships. If it's family, if it's friends, it's a very good time now in March to really surrender in a divine way to your own creativity, to your own being, to your own beauty. I was in Egypt and I felt so much magic there that it really rejuvenated me. And March, I feel there is an ending and a new beginning. It's like a caterpillar who has been so straightened up. The caterpillar is like he you know, it's a feeling of ending, but you cannot do anything. If you want to survive, you have to breathe again, and it's in that new breathing that you let go of many things. So this is really a magical month, I would say. So try to really planify also your creativity. Know also there is a total moon eclipse on the 14th of March. And here it's a good timing to really open up your awareness, open up your consciousness. It's a very good thing to do your spiritual practice and take a new dimension and take new, it's like you can actively make some changes in diet, for example, or you can really go to that divine surrender to reevaluate yourself, your beauty, and it's really a really nice timing where our eyes will open. And when we feel and it's collective, to be honest, it's really collective. It's not something you will do alone. Sometimes you will feel alone. That's something else, because like in the eclipse time, it's like your the grounding suddenly can shift and is away, and you don't have anything to grab. But this is the time you have to really anchor yourself and really reunite your whole being with the earth. And when we do that, magic is happening. So really connect again, reevaluate nature, reevaluate our health, and everything will be fine. We are perfect and in the perfect timing on this earth as a living being, really living a beautiful life full of magic. And it's really a divine timing. March is really divine. So I hope you can see that and slow down sometimes to see it, the divinity. Okay, hope you got something out of this. And I really wish for you a beautiful, magical month, March. Oha.